Your mind is a powerful thing. When you fill it with positive thoughts, your life will start to change. Success is 80% psychology and 20% mechanics. Tony Robbins. What if I told you that you could rewire your brain to make more money in just 7 days? Sounds impossible, right? Well, it's not. Welcome to this video where we'll dive into how you can change the way you think, shift your mindset, and start attracting more financial success into your life faster than you ever thought possible. But before we start, don't worry. I'm not talking about some magic trick or a quick fix scheme. What I'm about to share with you is backed by psychology, neuroscience, and some of the most successful people in the world. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand how to change your mindset, but also how to take practical steps to reprogram your brain to think in a way that makes you more money. And the best part? You can start seeing results in just 7 days. So stick around. Let's start with the basics. Why is your mindset so important when it comes to making money? It's simple. The way you think determines the way you act, and the way you act determines the results you get. Most of us have ingrained beliefs about money that we don't even realize. Maybe you've been told things like, money doesn't grow on trees, or you have to work hard, really hard, to earn anything. While some of these beliefs may seem harmless, they're often what hold us back. Our thoughts create patterns in our brain, and those patterns influence our behaviors. If you believe that money is scarce or hard to get, you'll unconsciously act in ways that align with that belief, keeping yourself stuck. So, what's the solution? You need to reprogram those deep-rooted beliefs. The good news is, this is entirely possible with intentional mental conditioning. And in 7 days, you can already start to see the shift. Step 1 in this journey is to identify and understand your current limiting beliefs about money. Let's do a quick mental exercise. Close your eyes and think about this question. What's the first thing that comes to mind when I say money? Is it fear, excitement, stress? Maybe you immediately thought of debt or worry that there's never enough. Whatever it is, that's your starting point. Here's a scenario. Imagine you've been living paycheck to paycheck for years. You're working long hours, but nothing changes. Every time you get a raise, new expenses seem to pop up. This cycle is actually caused by your subconscious belief that you're not meant to have wealth, or that money will always be a struggle. Over the next 7 days, we're going to shift this belief. Start with this affirmation. I am worthy of wealth, and there is more than enough money to go around. Repeat it daily, and notice how your thoughts about money start to evolve. Step 2. The science behind reprogramming the brain. Now let's get into the science for a minute. How does this actually work? Your brain is made up of neural pathways. These are like highways that information travels down. The more you think a certain thought, the more that pathway gets used. Over time, it becomes automatic, just like a habit. This is where reprogramming comes in. By consciously thinking new positive thoughts about money, you're literally creating new neural pathways in your brain. In fact, neuroscience has a name for this: neuroplasticity. It's your brain's ability to change, adapt, and form new connections. The more you think thoughts of abundance, the easier and more natural they'll become. Here's an example. Think about how you learned to ride a bike. At first it was awkward and uncomfortable, but with practice it became second nature. The same applies here. Step 3. Creating daily wealth habits. Creating daily wealth habits is essential to reprogram your brain for financial success. By pairing your new positive thoughts with consistent actions, you train your mind to focus on abundance and wealth-building opportunities. Start with day 1. Establish a morning routine. Begin by writing down your financial goals and reading them aloud each morning. This reinforces the idea that money flows to you effortlessly. When you say affirmations like, I attract wealth every day, say them with conviction. This helps embed the belief deep into your subconscious, allowing you to manifest these goals through your thoughts and actions. On day 2, shift your focus to gratitude for the money you already have. Regardless of your current financial status, there's always something to be thankful for. By appreciating what you currently possess, you shift your mindset from scarcity to abundance. Gratitude is powerful because it changes the energy you bring to your financial life, helping you see opportunities instead of focusing on lack. The act of being thankful for your resources opens your mind to receive more, creating a positive feedback loop of abundance. Finally, on day 3, take time each day to visualize yourself as wealthy. Spend 5 minutes imagining your life with more money. Picture in detail how it feels to have financial freedom, what you would do differently, and the lifestyle you would lead. Visualization primes your brain to seek out and create opportunities to bring that vision to life. When you regularly see yourself succeeding financially, your brain begins to work toward making that vision a reality, helping you develop the confidence and awareness necessary to achieve your financial goals. Step 4. Putting your money into motion. Putting your money into motion is where the mental shift towards wealth becomes tangible through action. It's not enough to think about wealth. You need to actively move your money and energy toward growth. Start small. On day 4, consider making a modest investment, whether in stocks, a business idea, or a new skill. This act of investing shifts your mindset from one of scarcity to abundance, reinforcing that you are actively creating wealth rather than passively hoping for it. Day 5 encourages you to track your spending. By keeping a detailed record of where your money goes, you send a strong signal to your brain that you are in control of your finances, which is essential for long-term wealth building. On day 6, focus on surrounding yourself with people who have a wealth-focused mindset. This could involve joining a mastermind group, reading books by financial experts, or following individuals online who inspire you financially. The principle here is simple. You become the average of the people you spend the most time with, so make sure those influences push you towards financial growth. Finally, on day 7, take action on an opportunity. Whether it's launching a side hustle, investing in a business, or pitching a new idea, this step ensures that your new mindset leads to real-world action, accelerating your path toward financial success. Step 5. Making the transformation last. This step involves reinforcing the mindset and habits you've built over time, ensuring that your progress is sustainable. One key to this is consistency. Daily practices like affirmations, gratitude, and visualization need to become second nature so that your new wealth-focused mindset remains strong. Repetition is vital because the brain thrives on patterns, and maintaining these habits solidifies your belief system and aligns your actions with your goals. This allows the transformation to become a lasting part of your identity, rather than just a temporary phase. Another essential factor is adapting to growth and challenges. As you begin to see financial success, it's important to continue learning and adjusting. Stay open to new strategies, seek out mentors, and evolve your approach as your financial situation changes. This flexibility ensures that your wealth habits are not rigid but grow with you, helping you overcome obstacles and seize opportunities. By being adaptable and persistent, you ensure that your transformation is not only lasting, but also continually improving as you reach new levels of success. By now, you've learned that reprogramming your brain for wealth isn't just about changing how you think. It's about pairing those thoughts with intentional daily actions. Remember, success starts in the mind, but it only becomes reality when you make consistent moves in the right direction. Over the last few minutes, we've covered powerful techniques to shift your mindset, build wealth-oriented habits, and take real, practical steps toward financial success. So what are you waiting for? You now have the tools and knowledge to reprogram your brain and start making more money, starting today. Remember, it's not about quick wins or shortcuts. It's about changing the way you think and act every single day. The next 7 days could be the start of a brand new chapter in your financial journey. Implement these steps and watch as your mindset transforms, and with it, your bank account. If this video helped you, be sure to like, share, and subscribe. And let me know in the comments what step you're going to take first. Remember, the only limits you have are the ones you place on your mind. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep pushing forward and keep growing.